Hey guys, welcome back to AlgoYogi. We are doing linked list series. Our next problem in the list is remove linked list elements. All right, let's visit the problem on LeetCode. So given the head of a linked list and an integer value, remove all the nodes of the linked list that has no dot value equals to the given value as our input, and then return the new head of the list, because some values could be equal to the head and we don't want to return previous head, because if it is equal to that value we need to get rid of that as well. So I just explained you something which was part of the question because it just popped into my head. All right, so how are we going to do it? It's a very simple approach. It's just we traverse the entire linked list, and when we come across any of the nodes that's equal to the value that we need to remove, we get rid of them, and we are basically pointing the previous one to the next, and this is basically pointing nowhere, but it's just none, and that's it. That's what we returned. Now there could be a case where instead of these two nodes this was also 6, then that case we will get rid of this as well, and we will basically start from here. So maybe just not this, this is what we return as head. So this is the list we will return. So that's also we need to take care. So okay, so how are we doing it? We will start traversing at 1, but if we're just traversing, my current pointer becomes equal to the node that the value that I need to remove. Then how do I just remove it and also have my pointer pointing to the next one, because I also need to traverse the entire list, right? So if this was 6, then my current pointer is 6, then how do I just remove this and also keep traversing the entire list? So how about I have 2 pointers. So one is current pointer that I'm using to remove the current pointer, that I'm checking if the value is equal to 6, then I will get rid of this. And then I have something called previous pointer. I'll just have something called previous pointer, and initially let me call it like a previous pointer with 0 value, and that is pointing its next pointer over here, and let's call it dummy. It's a dummy node initially, and it's also we could say it's just we're pointing previous over here and our current over here. Now we can keep traversing current, and if this was 6, then my previous pointing to this, it would just point to the next pointer that my current will go to. So current will go over here, and instead of this entire thing, I will say my dummy or previous will now point over here. So my previous points to this, previous next, not just previous, so previous next. So this is still prev, and previous next goes over here, and then my current keeps moving, and if the value is valid, in this case it was valid also, I was just making a scenario, but anyways, I think now we got what we're actually doing. That's just let me run it on a simple example. Let's say it's 1, 6 and 3. Then I have a dummy node, I call it 0, my prev, my current, and I check this is equal to 6. No, 6 is what we are removing, this is not. Then I will just simply increment my previous and also increment my cur. So cur goes to 6, prev goes to 1, and then I check yes, this is equal to 6, we need to get rid of it. So I will move my current over here and my previous next to my current, and that's how this is removed. And I will just move my previous next later when I'm just, at this time, actually, in this iteration, in this condition, I will not move my previous. I will keep it over here until it goes to the next value and check if I really need to move it, because next time I'll move this and also move, because what might happen if I check this condition, if I check this value, this could also be equal to 6. I will have to remove it in the same iteration. So I will just keep previous over here until my current is checked again. All right, so I think you already got it. At least I got it. So let's write it down. Why can't I switch to my, I think this is not working. All right, so let's write the solution. And as I said, we'll have a dummy node, that is list node. We can provide any value and its next pointer is head. So that's the second argument if you are confused why I'm sending head over here. Then my previous would be pointing to dummy, and then my current is pointing to head, and then I'm starting a while loop, while current. So if my current value is equal to the value that we need to remove, that means my current would be current.next, and my previous would be, sorry, previous.next would be current still, because now I have already incremented current, so I could just simply say current. Otherwise I will just simply move current to the next pointer, because I'm keeping that node. I'm not ignoring that, and my current will be current.next, and my previous next would be current, so that we got rid of that current. Okay, I think that makes sense. Now, otherwise, my current would be cur.next, and prev would be prev.next, right? And then finally we can return dummy.next, because we're not returning dummy we just created so that it has reference to the valid node that we actually need to return, because there might be a situation where even head is a value that we need to remove. So I think this will run. Let me zoom out and run it. All right, so this passes, and submitting it 100%. All right, so this is a good solution. And time complexity big of n, that's just one iteration over all the nodes, and space complexity is big of 1, because I'm not really storing anything. Am I? I'm not, right? Yes, exactly. We're just removing it in place. All right, so let's go back to AlgoYogi, mark it solved, and see you guys in the next problem. Until that, bye-bye.